General forecast. Overall, the June, July, and August 2026 climate outlook indicates that most parts of the country are expected to receive near normal to below normal. That is near average to below average rainfall. And the temperatures are expected to be warmer than average. Western Uganda, and we start with the southwestern highlands, which has the districts of Kabale, Kisoro, Rukunjiri, Kanungu, Ruchiga, Rubanda, Bushenyi, Rubirizi, Mitoma, Buejo, Shema, Rwampara, and Tungambo districts. The current dry condition over this region is expected to give way to light isolated rainfall from early to mid-June. Thereafter, the dry season is expected to set in until the end of the forecast period. Overall, below normal, that is drier than normal conditions, are expected to prevail during the forecast period in the above-mentioned districts. Implications of the June, July, August forecast. The June, July, August forecast indicates that most parts of northern and eastern will experience near normal to below normal rainfall, while central and western regions are expected to experience below normal conditions, that is drier conditions, thus impacting various socioeconomic sectors, particularly agriculture and food security, health and water resources, among others. Ladies and gentlemen, it is important to note that the sector-specific advisories have been developed jointly by several government ministries, departments, and agencies, and shared in the detailed forecast document for your perusal. Dissemination and utilization is called upon on the media houses so that appropriate anticipatory actions are taken in response to this forecast as an early warning information. As I noted, most part of the country will receive below average rainfall. That is drier condition, but also the temperatures are going to be a lot warmer than the average.